Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and today I have an exciting video for you guys. Wait one second. Today we are doing a Showpo unboxing haul and I'm very excited about it. Here in my hands I hold the Showpo bag or package or whatever you want to call it. And obviously I haven't opened it because I thought it would be way more fun to open it with you guys on camera so we can all have first impressions together. I would like to say thank you so much to Showpo for working with me on this video, but of course all of the opinions are my own and I'm gonna say whatever I want about these items. I also have a discount code for you guys. It is Rachel10 and it'll give you 10% off everything on the Showpo website. So if you like the look of anything that I show you in this haul today, or if you just want to check out anything else that Showpo has because they have a lot of very cute things, then you can use my discount code if you want, and I'll also leave the links for these specific items as well as the Showpo website in the description box below. But let's get started into the video. Opening packages on camera is so much more difficult than it looks because I'm trying to show you guys what I'm doing, but I'm also like trying to open it. I'm like balancing it on my leg right now. What do we have in here? Here's the little sneak peek for you guys. First item. This is the modern day dress in white in a size 6. This looks so cute. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. First impressions, very cute. As you can see, it has this like low V at the front. It also has these beautiful detailed sleeves. And of course it has the frill at the bottom, the famous Rachel Catherine frill that I seem to be drawn towards in every single haul that I do. I am a little bit worried about how low this V is gonna be, but we will see. So this is what it looks like. It fits me super well. I've never really had anything with these like elbow length sleeves before and I really like it. It's just so different to what I usually try. I also really like the back. Like I think the back is my favorite part, how it just ties up and it has a little bit of that low back, which is beautiful. The only thing that I'm not super in love with is how low it goes at the front. It definitely doesn't like show anything, which is great, but I just like never wear low V things, so this is kind of weird for me. But that is definitely a personal preference type of thing because I know that other people love that sort of thing and they look great in that sort of thing. It's just not something that I feel the most comfortable in, but everything else is absolutely perfect and I love this dress and I still probably will wear it. I just need to like get some confidence, you know? Moving on to the next thing, it looks like this. Oh my gosh, that is, no way, that is so cute. Nope, see you later, goodbye. It's like a little navy play suit. It's really hard to show you. I'll try it on and I'll let you guys know what I think. Okay, hands down, I can already tell you that this will be my favorite item in this haul because this is the cutest thing I've ever worn in my whole life. Like, I love it. So obviously it's just this little play suit and it fits me perfectly. It just has this little like flappy flap over the top and the back is really cute as well because it has like a little bit of an open back. I love it. And the straps are tie up. I did a really bad job tying them up so they're kind of uneven, which makes them look weird, but they probably wouldn't look weird if I did it properly. But I love it. We have another navy item. I think it's also another dress. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is just like a little loose flowy dress with a little frill at the bottom, of course, and it's got buttons all the way up, but I'll try it on and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So you know how I said the last item was my favorite? Well, now I'm not too sure because this is so incredibly cute. As you can see, oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's just this like loose flowy dress. It's got these little sleeves. It does have a decently low neckline, which isn't my favorite, but it doesn't really bother me as much in this dress. I'm not really sure why. I still feel very comfortable in it. I love the color of it and I think it'll look even better when I have a tan as well because right now I'm just like pretty much not tanned. I swear my reactions are genuine. Like I have genuinely loved everything so far. I would tell you if I didn't. I just wasn't expecting to be this happy with all the items. But yeah, let's try on the next item. Let's see. We have this top and I think these are pants. These actually might go really well together. Like I didn't pick them out to go together, but this top is an off the shoulder top and it just looked so beautiful. Obviously it's like off the shoulder and it's floral and it has these incredible sleeves that I just think look so stunning. These are like corduroy culottes, I guess. Is that what they're called? Like the 3/4 pants that kind of are like not tight or anything. These actually might look really cute together. I'm gonna try them on and I'll show you guys. This is so cute. Are you kidding? First of all, this shirt makes me feel like an angel. Like I literally have wings and I love it. And the pants, I actually didn't realize they were gonna be corduroy when I looked at them online, but I'm so glad they are because these are so comfortable. Like corduroy is so comfortable and they have pockets. I got a size 8 in these, and I think I could have gotten a size 6. They still fit because they have like an elasticated waist, which is perfect and super comfortable. But like, I think I could have gone down a size. I always have trouble choosing pants because I'm always between a 6 and an 8, or not always. I usually am between a 6 and an 8. But oh my gosh, I love this outfit so much. One thing that I do want to mention is that Showpo is a Sydney-based brand, which I think is incredible and amazing. And it also means for us Aussie girls that the shipping is super, super quick, which I love. I feel like there are so many cute stores in other countries, especially America, but they either don't ship to Australia, they take forever to ship to Australia, or their shipping is incredibly expensive. So it's really nice to have an Aussie brand that is so beautiful and so great and ships so quickly, but I just wanted to mention that. We have one last item though, and that is this. And this is a pair of white jeans, and they've got a rip in the knee. Oh my gosh, white always makes the camera, like the lighting, just go absolutely insane. I actually don't have a pair of white jeans, and I've been wanting a pair for quite a while, so let's try these on and see how they fit. I got a size 8 in these as well because like I said, I'm usually a size 8 in pants, but we will see. I'll let you know about the sizing. I have the jeans on. I got the size 8, and the size 8 fits me perfectly. I just chucked on a grey shirt with it, so I wasn't shirtless. But yeah, these fit absolutely perfectly, and I really, really, really like them. Obviously with any white jeans, you're gonna have to wear nude underwear, but I already knew that, and all of my white jeans that I've had in the past have been the same. They are a little bit too long for me, but I'm short, so I expected that, and I like cuffing my jeans at the bottom anyway, so that's what I've done. And I also want to mention that these are not high-waisted. They're just below my belly button, but I have a very short torso, so these could be less high-waisted for you as well if you have a normal size torso. But I knew that when I ordered them anyway, so that's totally fine with me. The only thing that I do want to mention about these pants is that I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the rips, like one is a little bit higher than the other. Personally, it doesn't bother me, but if it does bother you, keep that in mind. But I think that's everything that I have to show you guys. I'm so happy with everything I received. Like, this is definitely one of my favorite hauls that I've done from Showpo. As I mentioned, I do have a discount code if you want to check it out. It is Rachel10. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos from me, because I do have a shopping addiction and I do post hauls probably way more than I should. So if you like these, there's definitely more coming. But that's all folks. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch ya on the flippity flip side. Goodbye.